Well, it's official. A year later, and faceless channels are the #1 way beginners can get traffic, sales, and start a side business that really works. But lots of people just built the wrong ones. Boring slideshows, AI-sounding scripts, no rankings, no fast monetization. But on a free call, you're going to see how beginners are earning $15K plus a month from the first ever self-learning, growing, and monetizing faceless channel builder called MagicFlix 2.0 that not only builds the types of channels going viral today, like immersive realism, recreate history, stick education, Unreal ASMR, Ghibli, along with standard story channels like Scarier Kids, but can also self-learn any style, product, or business so the channels don't sound like generic AI. Instantly monetize itself, finding affiliate products and integrating them into your channel videos, landing agency deals and cloning biz owners into branded channels, finding influencers and auto-landing relevant channel sponsorships for you fast. It can 100% automate the channels now in the most popular niches and themes, from tons of models complete with done-for-you auto-scheduling. Or you can customize the videos now with upgraded drag-and-drop multi-timeline editing now. You can even rank the channels in YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and AI search, finding the best hashtags, trending topics, doing auto SEO optimization, thumbnail creation, and far more. So save your seat below to see the exact formula beginners are using to pump out first ever 15K plus per month self-learning and monetizing channel businesses, and how some are even cloning small businesses into self-growing YouTube channels as an agency for 3K month up pop. Now this one is going to max out fast. Plus, as you'll see, MagicFlix 2.0 is so easy to use. First, choose to create a self-learning AI channel brain for any channel that studies any style, offer, or business to develop a unique brand voice and content strategy designed specifically for your channel. No more generic AI sounding or looking videos and channels. Then create a single video, automate an entire channel, or clone a business into a channel. Choose a channel theme like POV simulation, trivia, educational affiliate channels, local business clones, or create your own. Make channels in the hottest themes working now, or even classic story videos in tons of niches like scary, kids, fantasy, and more. Next, add AI realistic narrators, whether to leverage video clips or images for your channel. Add video styles like ultra realism, Ghibli, Pixar, and more from all the best AI models. Customize the script and upload reference images for videos way better than everyone else's. Now, preview your video and leverage the upgraded drag and drop timeline editor if desired to make changes, edit scripts, trim scenes, add transitions, effects, background music, custom assets, and more to make the video visually stunning. Schedule your videos individually, or with automatic mode, MagicFlix AI 2.0's built-in content calendar will post your videos according to a schedule, growing your channel for you on autopilot. To generate traffic fast, the AI optimization wizard will auto-rank your videos by adding the best hashtags, finding fresh topics ready to go viral, discovering the best long-tail keywords to rank for, optimizing for SEO, and even generating on-brand viral video thumbnails. Plus, as a bonus step, you can monetize your channels right out of the gate beyond just views. Let AI discover high-commission affiliate products, then create self-learning video channels designed to promote those exact offers. Create agency channels that get clients and funnels that land local clients who want video channels made for them. Find ultra-targeted influencers who will pay for sponsorship opportunities and land them in a click, and much more. As a special bonus, you also get exclusive access to our academy, where we'll reveal in paint-by-numbers detail the exact affiliate marketing strategies and channel traffic frameworks we've used to generate millions of dollars online. And that's just a little bit of what you can fully automate. Now, this isn't another video tool. This is the first channel business creator anyone can get results with. So save your seat below right now. And just for showing up for free, you're going to get the 4-part faceless channel formula that's letting newbies automate 15K plus per month, self-learning, growing, and monetizing channels. Auto-create channels in the hottest themes like immersive reality, trivia, stick education, Ghibli, stories, etc. with no tech experience. How newbies easily land small business clients and one-click clone businesses into self-growing channels that sell for 3K monthly apiece. Get a free GPT plus training on how we made millions monetizing channels immediately without views just for registering. win cash prizes, get a free copy, and more. So click the button below to save your seat. There are a fixed amount of spots for this one, and it's going to max out judging by the attention we've already gotten. So go ahead, click the button right now, and I'll see you on the most exciting training call of the year.